concepts in geometry. The last practice set is practice set 1.3. Let us solve examples in this practice set one by one as question number 1. Write the following statements in if-then form, that is in the conditional form. In this, number 1 statement is the opposite angles of parallelogram are congruent. Write in this the conditional statement as if a quadrilateral is parallelogram, then its opposite angles are congruent. Second, the diagonals of rectangle are congruent. In this example, the type of quadrilateral is rectangle. So, in if-then form, it is written as if a quadrilateral is a rectangle, then its diagonals are congruent. Number 3. In an isosceles triangle, the segment joining the vertex and midpoint of the base is perpendicular to the base. In this statement, the triangle is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, here statement written as if a triangle is an isosceles triangle, then the segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of the base is perpendicular to the base. Now, question number 2. Write the converse of following statement. Means interchange the antecedent and consequent. Example number 1. The alternate angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal are congruent. If the alternate angles made by two lines and its transversal are congruent, then the lines are parallel. Second example, if a pair of interior angles made by a transversal of two parallel lines are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. In this example, consequent is the lines are parallel. Therefore, write it as first, that is if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then the interior angles so formed are supplementary. Example number 3, the diagonals of rectangle are congruent. Here type of quadrilateral is rectangle and the quadrilateral is rectangle. Therefore, if first the diagonals of quadrilateral are congruent, then the quadrilateral is a rectangle. Now, let us solve example number 7, 8, 9, 10 in problem set number 1. Example number 7, here we solve only two examples which are different. Example number 3, the triangle is a figure formed by three segments. Write down this in conditional form as if the figure is a triangle, then it is formed by three segments. Example number 4, a number having only two divisors is called a prime number. If a number is having only two divisors, then it is called a prime number. Then example number 8. In this example also we solve only two examples. Number 1, if sum of measures of angles in a figure is 180, then the figure is a triangle. If figure is a triangle, then the sum of measures of angle is 180. Here we write the converse of statement. Also, example number 4 is taken as, if sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Converse of this statement is, if the number is divisible by 3, then the sum of digits of number is also divisible by 3. Then question number 9, write the antecedent means given part and the consequent part means part to be proved in the following statements. Number 1, if all sides of triangle are congruent, then its all angles are congruent. In this statement, antecedent is all sides of triangle are congruent and consequent is its all angles are congruent. Second example, try to solve this example. Then example number 10, draw a labeled figure showing information in each of the following statement and write the antecedent and consequent. First, two equilateral triangles are similar. First, I draw two equilateral triangles as, consider the statement in conditional form as, if two triangles are equilateral, then they are similar. In this, antecedent is two triangles are equilateral, that is triangle ABC and triangle PQR are equilateral. Consequent is triangles are similar, that is triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Take second example, if angles in a linear pair are congruent, then each of them is right angle. Here figure is drawn. Antecedent, angles in linear pair are congruent. Angle ABC congruent angle CBD. And consequent is each angle 90 degree. That is angle ABC equal to angle CBD equal to 90 degree. Example number 3rd. Try to solve this example.